everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am here with an Eid makeup look. Yes, so Eid is almost here and I have created this look which is glossy matte, it's like a very nice festive makeup look. It's a very soft glam look, so you can wear it. It's a very wearable look, so yeah. And it's perfect for the festive season. I have included a lot of tips and tricks in this video, and it's not only an Eid video, it is a very beginner friendly video, and I've also tried to use a lot of affordable products. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, without further ado, let's get started. Prepped up my skin. Now I'll use a primer for further, so I'm confused which one to use. So I'll use Nykaa Prep Me Up because it actually matches my outfit. Right, after the primer is done, like, can you see that? I'll just use this Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer by Sugar, and this shade 03, which is Peach Poppin'. And okay, so do you see that? It gave me a beautiful glow. I'll color correct a little bit. So I'm using a very little amount on my under eye, on the mustache area, and yeah, do not put it on your entire face because I don't think so a lot of people have pigmentation all over their face. So yeah, just use a very little amount, just the way I did, and then go ahead and blend. This particularly is not only an Eid makeup look, it is a complete beginner's makeup look, so I'll be explaining along with doing my makeup. Now, the next thing that we'll do is that we'll use a foundation, and for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 320 Honey. Highly recommend. And whenever it's like a festival, like Eid is a festival, right? So whenever it's a festival, you need a long lasting foundation which makes you look good throughout the day. And so yeah, I think so this is a pretty good foundation for that. And all I take is like 2 pumps. I take 2 pumps because I have to cover my neck as well. Never forget your neck and yours because they're super important, guys. Now I'll be using a concealer, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. Like, this is such a beautiful concealer. I know it's heavy, but it's just perfect for festivities. Now it's time for the concealer. And alright, beginners, please make sure you dampen your sponge before you use any makeup because a dry sponge is a disaster, I tell you. Taking a little bit, this is a very high coverage concealer, so you better be careful. A little bit on my nose area. And take very little product at once because this dries up very fast, and that's why I need to blend it very fast as well. A little bit on my forehead and on the bridge of my nose and my chin as well. Like, these are basically the high points of your face, remember that. Alright, next I am going to cream contour. Honestly speaking, I love cream contouring. I feel that it suits me a lot. Yeah. So whatever you want to hide, just use contouring for that, okay? On my jaw to hide double chin, you can literally use it there. It does a fab job. A little bit to define my chin over here. On my forehead to make it look smaller. Then making a fish face and contouring. So these are the natural shadow lines of the face, okay? So now that I look like a complete ghost, I'm going to do another step like that. Contour. Like, the product I'm using for my contour is the Cuffs and Lashes Coverpot in the shade 13. which is Mahogany. For blush, I am using the Sugar's Face Forward Blush Stick in the shade 03 Mauve Marble. To make all of it look natural, I'm using the Maybelline Fitme concealer in the shade 35, which is deep, and again applying a little bit on the high points of my face so that all my blush contour and everything looks natural. Now it's time to bake. Okay, this is how you remove the creases, and take some powder, apply it there. Some powder over here, very good. You see that? Till the time I am this is baking, what I'll do is I will actually move on to my eyes and do the eye makeup. Okay, so for eye makeup I'm using this palette by Makeup Revolution. Now my eye makeup look will be created using two eyeshadows only. So first I am going to use a brownish shade like this in my crease. I'm going to mix it with these, okay? Like I'm going to mix these two shades and I'm going to apply it in my crease. I'm just working that color in the crease. As you can see, these are quite nicely blended in. I am going to take this shimmer right here and apply it on my lid. So you can use your finger for that purpose, and I'm using my finger too. You see that? Yeah. Taking that purple color, I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line. Alright, for my eyebrows, I'll be using the Nykaa's Oh My Brow Eyebrow Mascara. And I'm just brushing it like this. I'm taking a Kajal and I'm lining my lower as well as upper waterline with this. And taking the same Kajal, I'm going to smudge it on my upper lash line as well. It actually looks nice. Now we'll just complete the eye makeup towards the end. Let's just get done with the base. And for base, I'll be using the Sugar's Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade 02 Vivid Way. So I'm using the bronzer shade to set my contour. And then with the same brush, just squeezing it a little bit, contouring my nose as well. Taking the blush shade, I just remove the excess product on the back of my hand and taking the blush shade, dusting off the excess, smiling and just packing it. Okay, so I'll be powdering my face, and for powdering I'm using the Maybelline Fitme Matte Plus Poreless Compact in the shade 310 Sunbeige. Before applying the highlighter, I'll be setting my face with a setting spray. So I am using this Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. Now Makeup Fixer controls the oil production and also helps just blending all of your makeup and mixing it all in. The highlighter in the same palette. I'm going to highlight my face and glow, okay? Remember, if you have a lot of acne or a lot of texture, do not highlight a lot because the highlighter is, going to bring out that even more. I'll just apply my lashes and be right back. Now, for lipstick, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Matte Mint Lip Color in the shade Crushed Carrot. And this is a very beautiful brownish lip shade. You feel like it is beautiful. With this, I'm done with the makeup look. I'll just do my hair and be right back. Alright everyone, this right here is the finished look. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also comment down below what other content, like video ideas, what other videos you'd like to see from me. And we're done with today's video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye everyone.